student. Good morning. This is our fourth lecture on polymer, and in this lecture, we have to learn about some important condensation polymers. First of all, we know what is the condensation polymer. When two or more monomer linked with each other and they polymer and lose some small molecule like a water or ammonia. These polymers are called condensation polymers, and these reactions are called condensation polymerization reaction. Condensation polymerization reaction are also called as a step growth polymerization. In this, first we learn about polyamide. Polyamide means those compounds which contain amide linkage. The important example of this polyamide are synthetic fiber, and they are termed as a nylon. General method of the preparation of this nylon are polymerization of diamine with dicarboxylic acid, or condensation of amino acid or their lactams. These lactams are those organic compounds which contain amide group NHCO group as a part of that ring. First polyamide is a nylon. In this, first example is the nylon 66. Here, why we called this nylon as a nylon 66? Because the monomer is used into these production of these nylon 66 is contain the 6 carbon. Means here monomer of this polymerization reaction is a HMDA. Means first monomer contain the 6 carbon and second monomer contain the 6 carbon. That's why this nylon is called as a nylon 6,6. First, when HMDA means hexamethylene diamine is react with this adipic acid and they lose n mole of H2O water molecule and form this nylon 6,6. Here one hydrogen from this HMDA and one OH group from this adipic acid is loose and form the water molecule. Nylon 6,6 is a fiber forming solid. It possesses the high tensile strength because all the fiber contain strong intermolecular forces like a hydrogen bonding, and these strong forces is also lead to the close packing of chain. Thus they impart crystalline structure. This nylon 6,6 is a use in manufacture of seats, bristles for brushes, and in textile industry. Another polyamide is a nylon 6. Because of 6 carbon atom in monomer, the present polymer is called nylon 6. Here, when cyclohexane is undergo the oxidation reaction and we get a cyclohexanone. When this cyclohexanone is react with NH2OH and we get this C6H6NOH. When this react with H2SO4 and we get a caprolactam. It is the monomer of this nylon 6. When this caprolactam, when this n number of caprolactam is polymerized and we get a nylon 6. Here bond between this NH and CO is a broke and we get this nylon 6. The use of nylon 6 in manufacture of tire cords. Cords means flexible ropes and fabrics and ropes. Then another important condensation polymers are polyester. These are polycondensation product of dicarboxylic acid and diol shares. When ethylene glycol is react with terephthalic acid, then n number of H2O molecule is loose and we get this pterylene. One hydrogen from this ethylene glycol and one OH group from this terephthalic acid is loose and form a water molecule and we get a pterylene. Another name of pterylene is a dacron. When this polymerization reaction occur, we have a 420 to 460 Kelvin temperature and catalysts are used in this polymerization reaction are zinc acetate, antimony trioxide. Means when ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid is react in presence of zinc acetate antimony trioxide catalyst in with 420 to 460 Kelvin temperature and we get a pterylene. The another name of pterylene is a dacron. Dacron fiber pterylene that are crease resistant, that's why they are used in blending with cotton and wool fiber and they are also glass reinforcing material in a safety helmets and etc. Then third is a formaldehyde resin. Third important condensation polymers are a formaldehyde resin. In first is a phenol formaldehyde resin. Here when phenol is react with formaldehyde, we get three type of product. First is ortho, second is the para and third is the ortho and para. When this ortho product is undergo the polymerization reaction and we get this linear polymer. This linear polymer is known as a Novalac and this Novalac is used in paints. When this Novalac is undergo the polymerization reaction and we get this cross-linked polymer bakelite. Bakelite is a thermosetting polymer. That's why that cannot be reused or remolded. Thus, bakelite is formed by a cross-linking of linear chain of the polymer Novalac. Because bakelite is hard and they are a good electrical insulator, it is extensively used on making of electrical switches, fuse holders, combs, phonograph record, etc. And last important condensation polymer is a melamine formaldehyde polymer. Melamine formaldehyde polymer is formed by condensation polymerization of melamine and formaldehyde. Melamine formaldehyde is used in manufacture of unbreakable crockery. When this melamine is react with this formaldehyde and we get this intermediate. This intermediate is undergo the polymerization reaction and we get melamine, and it is used in manufacture of unbreakable crockery.